if you are a man, I think you should be able to speak on for yourself.
Right.
What do you need? What do you want? And if they can't answer that, sometimes we as a therapist need to create that space, a very, very safe, quiet space without expectation. If you can't answer that, don't worry. Maybe it's going to come to you. And a massage becomes this new place where it's about them. I don't need to take on that. I don't need to be a psychotherapist. I am just creating the space for them to find that out. And you would think that I'm going to be all over a body and torquing elbows and finding all these knots and showing them how off they are and all their body's flaws. And that's not what I do. A lot of that initial point of contact is communicating. If I find an adhesion, which is just unorganized tissue, or a trigger point, it might feel like ropey bands or a little speed bump. You've had a massage, maybe you felt something like that. I might stay on that as a good practitioner and see where that resonates and ask them to communicate that. If I'm in their upper back, maybe they feel that in their glute. If I'm in their glute, maybe they feel that in their calf. And now we're finding. And if I have that trigger point, and this is where you think you hurt, it's my job to acknowledge that we have referred pain. It could be coming from somewhere else, somewhere even around the other side that you don't know about. So our body's an intricate system. Right. Now, that doesn't also have to be physical. That could be mental. That could be an emotional block. That could be a trauma. That could be their armor. That could be something that they've never spoke on in their life. And men should feel stronger when they can at least recognize there's something deeper there. That's it. Just recognize it. And I will congratulate them for coming and living in that space, because I'll just simply say, you did it today. And I've had a lot of victories in my course of time as a trainer, 20 years since college, getting older. And, and the best thing is when somebody's gotten a lot of result, whether that's weight loss or performance or, whatever their goal was, somebody might come up to me who've seen some of the process and be like, how'd you do that? Like, I didn't do that.